Shiva's phone has no battery, his phone is dead, and we are looking for a shop where we can buy the adapter and probably switch on his phone.
Wanna leave this town. I'm saying, love her if you wanna go, I'm down. Darling, we'll make a bigger thing.
I am here at this Dutch cemetery. Unfortunately, the main gate is locked and I need to go and ask the locals for the key to enter the place. Anna, Savi.
Wanna leave this town. I'm saying, love her if you wanna go, I'm down. Wanna go. Darling, we'll make a bigger thing. We'll make a bigger thing. Wanna go.
This cemetery was built by the Dutch in the 16th century. they did not allow us to enter the church, so we are outside just looking around and seeing the architecture of this place. So we are unable to find the location of the mosque, and a stranger is helping us and he's taking us to the place. In the mosque, it's famous for this solar clock.
100 வருஷம் ஆகுது. 1334
100 years. 1914 it was built.
1334. இப்போ எங்க இது வந்து 1443.
Okay.
1100 1113 வருஷம் ஆகுது. Site 12. அப்புறம் 1 2 3 4 5 6. இதான் 6. அரபிக்.
So இவ்ளோ பெரிய why so much distance for 5 to 6?
இது அரபிக். அது சூரியன் மறையுதுல உங்களுக்கு.
Sunset.
சத்து பாருங்களா இப்போ தெரியுது பாருங்க. இப்போ கரெக்ட்டா இங்க இருந்து
நின்னு பாருங்க கோட் தெரியும் பாருங்க ரைட்டா.
இப்போ தெரியுது.
12 சரிங்களா?
கரெக்ட்டா தெரியும்.
It is 12:07 right now, and if you notice the sun rays falling right here on this very arc, so which means that as the ray falls, it denotes the time. This stands for 12 o'clock, this stands for 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. And coming to this side, this stands for 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock.
With the wind on the face and to travel like there is no tomorrow, this girl in her 20s has so much more to unravel.